I took a Plaud AI note-taking device to AWS reInvent 2025, and I would like to tell you about the experience, good and bad. And so what I did is I took this device, which I just purchased on a Black Friday sale for I think 130 something bucks on Amazon, and brought it to reInvent where I had dozens and dozens of meetings every day. And instead of popping my laptop up and taking notes right in front of the people I was talking to, I basically used this device to record the conversations or transcribe the conversations, and then used AI to summarize things, some of the key points, what I needed to pay attention to, things like that. Because in many cases I see when I'm dealing with language barriers, when I talk to my clients and they're talking to me, I'm missing stuff. And if I'm able to record the conversation or transcribe the conversation, then understand natively what they're saying. In other words, I'm not going to be missing some of the details, and you can certainly do that if you're going through an interpreter or using Google Translate or something like that. That's going to be of value, and this solves that issue, which if you have that issue, this would be a reason to buy this technology. If you're a ChatGPT user, you can transcribe directly into those systems, and they can automatically give you a summary as well, which is probably going to be, I would say for most uses, every bit as good as what this product is going to provide. Now, the problem is you're going to have to go through a few steps. You're going to have to record it, drag it into ChatGPT, or if you're using an aggregator, make sure it's recorded correctly, and make sure you're asking the prompt to give you the information back and the summary of information back. I think the way this thing is priced, though, it's able to provide you with a little bit more convenience, and you're going to pay for that. But not a lot. 130 bucks for a device like this, I wouldn't consider a lot. And I think most of you are going to be able to survive with the free tier. So is it worth it? Yeah, I think so. For what I use it for, this is a device that I think is going to have value for me for at least the next year. And the conversations that I have either, on the phone or, on Zoom or, directly face to face, which not many conversations occurring that way these days. And my ability to kind of organize all that stuff and go back and see it was discussed, because in many cases I will have 20, 30 conversations a week, and it's very difficult for me to go back and remember everything that was said during the conversations. So for my usage, it's good.